Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on vibration on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down all the way down and navigate to sounds and haptics. Now from here, the first and foremost of all about, we just need to tap on haptics, tap over here. Make sure either you have to set this to always play or play in silent mode. So if you keep this on accidentally on don't play in silent mode or never play, you won't get it. The vibrations won't be there. So make sure that you either keep on always play or play in silent mode. And this is what you have to do. And next one is all about, if you scroll down over here, you can see the system haptics. You should also turn this on. And also if you go over here at the top, now we need to tap on the ringtone. Now from here, over here you have set the ringtone, right? You might have selected default one like this. Now you have to select the reflection, which is the default one. Now if you tap on the haptics, now what you need to do is sometimes you might change into none. By default this might be on the none, so change into the accent. Once you change from the none to the accent, you can just go back. Now from here you have set the default one over here and just go back, and now the vibration is turned on. And also you can set the same for the text on, new mail, send mail, etc. You can all make for this one, texting and all those things. But what I'm saying is just make these changes here, then you just need to go back. Now over here you just need to go back, go at the top and tap on accessibility. Now from here you have to scroll down and tap on the touch. And over here what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you have to scroll down a little bit, and there is a vibration and you have to turn this on. So if the vibration is turned off here, you have to turn on. And right now whenever someone calls you, or if you're kind of sleeping or something, the vibration is actually turned on, and this is how we can do it. So I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye.